eat up your yam and breadfruit. You not eat up your carrastilol. And you not eat up your intestinal.
Yeah, boy.
And you see any day, you run with this a boy, you will eat up him right food them, and him carrot and him vegetable them. Look, boy, I'm tell you this. You're weak. You not no protein. You not no intestines. Hey, boy. I'm tell you this, you. Just look in my face. Batty boy.
Industival and interapples. How about them there? Some new kind of vegetable?
Are you prepared to ping the pong? I am prepared, young Szechuan. Do your worst. You have smashed the window of transparency.
What? Ready? Oh, no, sir. No, from up there, so I have to get a discount. Ready?
Well, I'm ready. You see the hook up good. Where?
Stop from me. You know say no.
You know say you want piece of mad woman.
Come on. I don't see you want to the rest of the day, yeah?
You're lucky when you see me.
No, it might go too hard.
Alright, go on. You know how to fix it.
Watch your go.
Jamaica, watch where I go.
Alright.
Jesus!
Hold on there. You know, say that look like one of them school chair where you look up it and then sit down pan. I mean, hear one teacher already, you know. Say some missing out of fear school. And if I want that.
Me say whoa, no you wanna get la me Allah. Me say whoa, me she Allah papi Allah. Me say whoa, you know say I be me dada. This time me say whoa, this a girl a start up. Me say whoa, you see me wicked and me wild up. For me tell a girl why you just wild up. Move up your body, girl, move your waistline. Me say yeah, and you dey on me man. She body left and then she body right. Sit down. Watch me park it now. Oh.
Maluco! Caralho!
Tell me no people. Talk the truth.
Yes, can't even let me
Talk the truth.
can't let me put my Australian piece.
Yo! Hey, pregnant woman problems. Put the earth, get a chair.
Yeah. And everyone knows that many and stab it down. Wine girl pum go straight down the ground. Use me dick, me nah use no tongue. Me nah go tight like no tight bubble gum. Give me daughter, give me son. The sugar cane is on him. Christian, I rather don't go buy yourself. Me no business. I'm making my camp clap on me down. Put it. You know what the Christy fan like a bone in you? How you like you? Yeah, my friend. Yeah. Like it, you know? Turn on my video. Glory. Mr. Hallelujah. Stab it down there, Mr. Motherfucker. Come go straight down and go. Use me, me nah use none tongue. I wanna jam you. Because you dey bang on your man. Jam one. No one jam you with me knife. No one jam you with me knife. Send one girl come now. Send your girl come. Come here, girl. Come here, girl. What the video? Yeah. And everyone knows that many and stab it down. Wine girl pum go straight down the ground. Use me dick, me nah use no tongue. Me nah go.
Oh, I go on. You see, for the next person who come in my life, if you gonna come with the foolishness, don't bother come. Digital already has stressed me, light bill has stressed me, cable and wireless has stressed me, flow has stressed me, poverty has stressed me, money problem has stressed me. My ex used to stress me. So if you're gonna come with it, no bother. Just go on.
I'm born a bad man. Pussy, you the fuck. You're gonna come around stink up, man. Shut up. Suck it, that's the one. Oh, yeah, man, shit. Oh, fuck off. You're a bad man!